Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable employer EV charging benefits with Zendesk EV vendors. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Admin Center, typically found in the sidebar. In the Admin Center, look for the Marketplace option and click on it. Once in the Marketplace, use the search bar to find EV charging vendors. Select your preferred EV charging vendor from the search results. Click on the vendor to view more details about their services. Make sure to review any pricing, features, and integration options. Once satisfied, click the Install button to add the vendor to your account. Follow any prompts to grant necessary permissions for integration. After installation, go back to the Admin Center. Look for that Apps section within your settings. Select the newly installed EV charging vendor app. Configure the settings as required for your organization. Set parameters like location, pricing details, and eligible employees. Save your settings to ensure all configurations are applied. To communicate these benefits to employees, draft an internal announcement. Include details about how to access the EV charging benefit through Zendesk. Make sure to highlight any important contacts for questions or support. Finally, monitor employee engagement with the new benefit through Zendesk reporting tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.